Hello my friends, today I want to show you a software for AMSI bypass. The name of the software is AMSI-Killer from Zero Memory X. You can download it on GitHub right here. Let's start with Windows Defender. Windows Defender is enabled. The next step is to start PowerShell. So I want to download seatbelt. Let's wait. So this is the command to download seatbelt and start it on memory. Okay. Windows Defender, malicious content. Okay. Let's start AMSI-Killer. Boom. AMSI-Killer work. Let's download seatbelt a second time. Let's start seatbelt. Oh, it's my fault. That's it. You see, it works. Thanks for watching and hack the planet, my friends.